So far in this series, we've built a simple app where we can add names to a database and display them on the screen in real time. Now it's time to learn how to delete entries from the database using Streamlit. To do this, we define a function that takes an ID and deletes the corresponding row from our people table in the database. We also change the title of the app to say, delete a name, so the user knows exactly what this page does. Next, we fetch all the names from the database using the same function from the last video, and then we extract just the IDs into a list. We use selectbox to allow the user to choose an ID to delete, and once the delete button is clicked, we trigger the delete function and display a success message. All right, let's run this app and see how it works. You can launch your Streamlit app with the usual command. In the previous video, we added a few names to the database, and now we can try deleting one of them. Let's delete the second entry. Done. It was successfully removed from the database. Try deleting a few more. For example, let's remove the third one, and now the fifth one. As you can see, the list updates automatically every time we delete something. Let's also try adding a new name. I'll add a Brutzi, and there it is, added to the list right away. In the next video, we'll learn how to update existing names in the database. See you there.